Let's make some delicious white pasta without cream. Start by boiling water and add the pasta. Allow the pasta to cook until al dente. Add some salt to cook. Pasta is ready. Strain out the pasta water and save some for cooking. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter to a cooking pan. Add in 300 grams diced chicken breast and cook for 5 minutes. Add in some chopped onion and diced garlic. Full list of ingredients on the comment section. Enjoy! Add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. I will love to know where you are watching this recipe from. Please comment below Saxo. Add in 1 teaspoon dried thyme, rosemary and pepper flakes. Now add in a handful of chopped green bell peppers. This recipe is something you should definitely try. Please like this video and subscribe. Add in 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons flour to the pan to make our bechamel sauce. Add in 150 ml milk and continuously stir to cook. Add in the cooked pasta and chickens. You have made for yourself a delicious white pasta without cream and cheese. Add in some cooked corn if you are a fan. This is absolutely delicious.